Mom's filming. Mom's filming in her hot mom hat. Hey, Mom's got the mic, you know. She's hearing everything you're saying. Just kidding.
In the video. How did that happen?
I don't know.
Hey, they go farther than I thought they were gonna.
Where are you gonna put that?
What is it?
It's a microphone.
For me? Weird. No problem. Ooh.
Suspension broke? Or is it just the way it's sitting? I think somebody tried to pull her out and ripped her A-arm out from underneath her car. Where's the A-arm at? Where's the rest of the car? Well, we looked underneath that car and the front rear control arm is missing and completely gone. Figured that out. What'd I do with her key in the pocket? It's an electric vehicle. EV, baby. I'm like, why won't this thing start? There it goes. Weird.
That is weird. They tried to.
You guys, we're out and about this morning. You guys missed the intro, so we're on the road again. Over here to Sand Hollow, getting a Hyundai EV. It's got a little bit of a problem. Let's see what that rear tire does, babe, before we get too carried away. There's not really anything to... Just go really slow, babe.
Okay.
If we have to let your air down, we will, but... Just don't have no stinking buttons. All kinds of lights going off. Traction control, you name it. Wasn't as bad as I thought it might be. Did you get a workout already, babe?
No, it's Cuban. Huh? Yeah. Oh, all the way down there? I saw you running in sand. I hate sand. No. It's the worst.
Get the old Duramax on a dirt road this morning. I had a pretty rough night last night. It was a late one. So I didn't even get my hair done. Didn't get my makeup this morning. So I'll have to apologize for my half professional looking behavior. Hey, put it in park. Hopefully avoid a few windshields on the way home. Somebody had way too much fun. The control arm's like gone. It's just completely gone. Like, where would it go? Somebody ripped it clear out from underneath the car. All right. Well, there's the control arm that
Broke them.
somebody must have hooked a strap to it or something and ripped it right out from underneath the car.
Well,
So I think somebody must have hooked a strap on this and just ripped it right off the car. All right. Well, there's the control arm that
broke them.
somebody must have hooked a strap to it or something and ripped it right out from underneath the car.
Well, I'm trying to order one right now. Hi.
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 All right, well, back to the shop with this one. Order a couple parts, get her back on the road again, get this old Duramax rollback back on the pavement where it belongs. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Well, good morning. I hope you can hear me. And part of me thinks it doesn't really matter because anytime you jump in a 5-ton military truck, you have full expectations you won't be able to hear anything, as you can see. We're up bright early, headed up to the bathrooms on the Hurricane Sandy to take some water up there, so good morning. Check this out, 5-ton on a dirt road. Like we got one over there stuck, not sure who, but maybe we'll go give him a tug. Not even there, is he? Yeah, maybe we'll get him on the way back out. So cool. It did rain a little.
Still got your teeth.
Ah, barely, but the end of my tongue's gone. Isn't that vandalism?
What's that?
Cutting
Right?
federal property up?
I got permission.
All right, so we're up here to the, what do they call this place? Top of the world, Competition Hill. And there's a lot going on behind the scenes that you guys probably don't realize when you want to come up here and have the restrooms available. This building catches all the rainwater and it goes down the gutter and it goes into a cistern to work the composting toilet. But when it's out of water, because of no moisture, we end up hauling water up here. We got up here in the old 5-ton, got Dale and Boyd and Jeff with me this morning, and we're gonna tie into that so we can put a tote of water in here. So what a beautiful day in southern Utah though. My gadfreeze. We gotta live in the prettiest place on the planet. So this here is a composting toilet funded by UPLA and Desert Roads. Such a fine job. I wonder how much sand's in that cistern, all of it?
No.
Don't get any in it?
Very little.
I'm gonna screw this on. Don't run into the end of it.
Where we store the compost.
See? Compost storage, see?
Keeps people from breaking into it.
Yeah. There's no reason to break into a composting toilet, folks. I mean, unless you want some compost or some
It should drop straight in.
water. It's got a leak too.
No, they just cleaned it out.
Turn the valve on then, call it good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Justin's like it's a inoculum spray right here too.
He's compacting that. Okay.
I don't know, do we need to move that tank in a little? You can't really, can you? We can
No.
tip it. We can tip the top and put some sand underneath it.
It goes down into the bottom. I should turn my headlights off on this old girl. That was just a riot coming out here in the old 5-ton, bouncing across the sand dunes. It's a good time. I don't think that tank has any problems with its prostate. It's going to get rid of that load.
They're shooting it in there pretty good.
It's kind of bright in here. All right, shut it off. So we got that old cistern all filled up with water so the composting toilet can work. We installed that toilet in 2017, so this is one of the first times we've had to haul water up to it. But it seems to catch enough rainwater to keep things going. And so we'll see if we can get the old 5-ton back out of here without getting stuck. We're going to run up top of the world and get us a couple pictures. Pretty good time all in all. Climbing the old grade here. Do you guys remember this top of the world post we put in? It's getting quite a few signs on it. That's been a while. There's signs from all over the world up here. But
Captain Joe's ain't ours. Yeah, people are just putting their own up there,
yeah,
which is cool. That's
looks
like
pretty
that,
good. up the sand is the whole problem. Take that much water up and drop it off in the bathroom. I hope you can't hear a word I'm saying because we had more fun. Did you have the most fun ever?
I had a good time.